Yo, what's going on? Today is gonna be a different type of video. I usually try to upload my videos in order. I'm gonna upload this one before I upload my other ones, just because I'm a little bit excited. Melona was doing a giveaway, and I entered it, and guess who won? Me! So I got the package yesterday. I opened it up, and I saw the package was from Melona, and that's all. I don't know too much about it. We gotta open it up together. They did post it up what they was giving, but I don't really remember exactly, so it's gonna be my first time looking at it and checking it out. Kinda excited I won. Been entering a bunch of giveaways. Ain't gonna lie, I've been winning quite a bit. I think I need to play the lottery. That's what I really need to win. I need to win the lottery. Yeah.
Okay, so for who doesn't know, EnjoyMelona, they make some really good ice cream bars. This is their Instagram, so make sure to give them a follow or visit the page if you want to see them have other giveaways and when it's available. This is the giveaway I enter. You can read the post. The next picture, it will tell you the rules exactly and the items that they're giving away. I don't want to click that because I don't want to spoil what items they are giving away. This is the post that show that I won. This is my Instagram if you want to follow. Look like they have one for Facebook as well. And it does look like they are giving another giveaway. So you can click the next picture and see the rules and the details. But if you never had these ice cream bars are really good. You gotta check it out. I did make a review about all 5 flavors. Watch the video if you haven't already. It will be on the top right hand corner. They also make Melona mochi ice cream, another ice cream I want to try, but they are a little bit expensive. $6 for a box, and each box has 6, so it's basically $1 of mochi ice cream. That's pretty expensive for the size, but since I like Melona's ice cream so much, I may give it a try just to see how it is. They also make this tub ice cream now. That's crazy. This looks so good. I really want to give this a try, so hopefully I can find it and give this a try.
This is the bag that I came in. I'm gonna start opening it up. First thing first, clear plastic bag. Looks nice. Yeah, clear plastic bag looks good. Guess this is kind of like a luggage tag, name tag. Pretty cool. This popsicle. The famous popsicle thing. It's cool. Ooh, got another one of those grocery bags. Those, you know, soap bag, or put your own grocery in a bag, tote bag, whatever you call it. Pretty small, not that big, but I don't know, I guess it's standard size. Got the logo on it. Looks good. Extra bags are always nice. Extra bags always come in handy. There's another bag. Honestly, I have no idea what I would use this bag for. Yeah, I have no idea what I would use this bag for, but it is. That's really nice quality. It does look nice. Man, they put plastic on everything, dude. They don't believe in saving plastic, huh? They got plastic over everything. Guess they don't want anything to be scratched up. Good dot into quality though, for sure. So up close to the bag. I guess this would be good for traveling. You could put, you know, your travel stuff in here. Not bad. I don't know if I would use it because I would have a travel bag, and it's a little bit bigger than this. Oh, what is this? Nah, that's crazy. This is a toothbrush. This is a toothbrush. This is a toothbrush holder too, I guess. It's a toothbrush case. I use this for sure. That's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna open this up. That's cool. And it comes with a toothbrush. I don't know how good this toothbrush is, but it comes with a toothbrush. I don't remember how it goes in. But yeah, that's cool. I guess, you know, when I travel, I got a place to put my toothbrush. Yeah, I don't know how to close it, man. Oh, I guess it's like this. Let me close it. This is cool though. This come in handy. I use this. It's a cool little case. Oh, so it goes like this. There's a, you put the toothbrush into here, and it holds on. Hopefully it's compatible with other toothbrushes. Melona Ice Cool Towel. Wet the towel with water, squeeze out the water, shake it strongly. I guess this is a towel. Not bad, a little Melona towel. Oh, I'm surprised it doesn't have a logo on here or something. It would have been cool to put the logo on here, but it's just a green towel. But it does come in a nice bag. That's pretty cool. We'll fold this back up. The last one. I don't know what this is. Oh, wow, this is fancy. This is, oh my god, case inside a case inside a case. This is umbrella. Obviously, I'm not gonna open it here for obvious reason. You know, you're not supposed to open an umbrella indoors. I don't know why, but supposedly it's bad luck. So let's just keep it that way, and let's not do it. Why risk it? But yeah, it's cool. I can use this because my other umbrella is kind of broken. I want to see how it looks though. But man, you bringing this to work, a bright green umbrella to work. Everyone gonna see me, notice me. It's cool though, man. This video is not sponsored. They didn't ask me to make this video. I just did it out of my own good because I, you know, wanted to try something new and just wanted to share with you guys what I won. I'm pretty excited, pretty happy about this. Thank you again, Melona, for sending me this. Thank you for picking me as the winner. They do have another giveaway right now. I think they have monthly giveaway. That's what it seemed like because I saw one in July, saw one in August, and I see one in September. So I'm assuming they have a monthly giveaway. Let's go check them out on Instagram. EnjoyMelona. Appreciate you watching, man. I'm out of here. Before I leave, you gotta make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff for me, man. Really helps me out. Peace.